Hey y'all, today we are doing a tutorial with the Morphe 35H Hotspot palette. It looks like this. I think that it is stunning. I love, love, love these shades over here and these aqua colors. I love them. I'm not super into blue, but I know blue is a really popular color right now, so I totally get it. But we do this look, of course, so if you guys want to see how I like this palette and how to get this look, then let's get into it. So my hair is still wet, so this is what we're doing. And I honestly have no idea what I want to do. The colors, like this one, these two guys, that's what I'm so drawn to. But like, look at that. Like, I want to do a halo eye, and like I planned on kind of using this in the crease, and then we'd use this for the actual spotlight. But then I was like, I could kind of do these and do this as the spotlight, so I don't know what I want to do. Let's do a couple swatches. Let's take this guy and swatch it right here. That's very pretty. I've already swatched a couple of these. Like, look at this aqua, and then this one below it, and then let's do this one right here. All these blues, like, what? I swear those two in the middle, those aqua shades, like the aqua and then the blue. Oh, I don't know what I want to do. Ooh, I just swatched this guy, and that's a very unique color. It's at the bottom, kind of going across. It looks so light, but it's like kind of golden. So pretty. I'm gonna quit blabbering and let's get into it. First, gonna take this guy right here. This does come with a sheet, but we're not doing that. We're just not. So I have a Morphe M535. We're just gonna start laying this guy down in our upper crease and slowly start building it up. Look how much lighter my face is than my body. I also have on a glowy primer, so that's why I'm shining. Same shade, just building this gal up, but I'm bringing it almost up to the brow, just right below. So I am totally on my period, and these cramps are hellacious. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. And I got a tubal last year, and the one main thing that has changed with that is like back contractions. Even when I had my son, I did not have any back labor whatsoever. But now I have some kick-ass back pain. Like, it's awful. Awful. We're gonna get back to the eyeshadow. Alright. This is a Morphe M433. And we are going in with this guy. And I am so excited about this color, you guys. It just looks stunning. All right, so we're gonna start putting this guy into the actual crease and then circular motions. And I'm going to round this out more where we are doing a halo. So I'm just taking my time to blend this out, and I'm kind of blending it upward. Crap, it's so hot in here. Oh. We've had a crap load of rain here in Kentucky, and it's also super hot. So it's not been the greatest weather, and we have like 100% humidity here. It's great. It's not great. Ugh. We are gonna go in with this guy on the sides. So I have an Eco Tools brush, and we're gonna put this on the outer edges, and I'm just tapping it. Tap, 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 and then kind of just little circular motions. And don't worry about the edges. We can clean those babies up. And I'm not too worried about this because we are going to cut that out. So if you go too far, that is okay. So I'm just kind of meeting those shades there. And then I'm just going to lightly connect these, which you don't really have to do that yet where we're cutting the crease. Or not the crease. I'm sorry, I cannot talk today. We are going to cut the halo to make us a little spotlight there. All right, I have a synthetic brush. This is more so a paint brush, like it actually came from a paint store. But whatever you have will work, any synthetic brush. And I'm taking this up into my crease to kind of fake a crease there. Okay, I'm gonna use my finger and then I'll probably grab a little brush just to blend it in. And we are going in with, oh, almost dropped it. We're going in with the aqua shade right here. And then we're going to dab, dab, dab. You guys, do you guys see this color? Do you? Like, it's amazing. Oh, I love this color. I like, personally, I prefer teals and aquas over blues. That's just me, like with my skin tone, that just works a lot better. You guys, this is stunning. All right, I'm gonna grab this little teeny tiny M213 from Morphe. Grab some and get right up in this crease area. All right, I'm gonna grab this shade right here that we went into the crease with on another tiny brush. This is a M507. And I'm gonna get these edges. We want to kind of get that halo blended in a little bit, just so it's not so stark from one color to the next. All right, I'm gonna use the same brush and go back in with our darker shade and just intensify it a little bit. And I'm gonna take it and go right above where we put that teal shade. Really light pressure. All right, I'm gonna grab our brush, our M433, and go back in with the bright shade and just run it right along the edges of the darker shade. And then I'm gonna kind of bring it down here just to blend it. And then one more time with our transition color, just to make sure everything is blended out. We're going to go in with this shade for our brow bone. This is a Real Techniques 203 brush. And we're just going to put that right under the brow. And that is where we're stopping. I'm going to do the face and get this eye started and done. It's so complicated because I have to try to remember exactly what I did over here. And my memory is not that great. So I'm gonna do all that and then we will be back and we'll do our lower lash line, and I am so excited about this look, you guys. I will see you in a minute. Okay guys, so this is our finished look. It's actually been several hours. I got kind of sick and I had to lay down, and I'm a little bit better now. So I went ahead and did the lower lash line. All I did was I grabbed this aqua matte and ran it underneath my lash line with its itty bitty pencil brush. And then I went in with this shade right here and went underneath and just blended it out. I really like it. And this matte, oh my gosh, you guys, it is so pigmented. Like, I love it. So I 100% recommend this palette. I will keep you guys updated. I'm sure I will do more looks. I'll put them on my Instagram. It will be listed down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's kind of a little more out of the box, a little more colorful. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.